Oh, hi. I'm Tommy Lather, founder of Takeoff Monkey. What is Takeoff Monkey? Well, we're only the best construction estimating solution in the United States.
Are you tired of spending hours and hours poring over plans just to submit a bid? Wouldn't you rather spend that time with your clients instead? With Takeoff Monkey, now you can't. Let us do the heavy lifting for you.
So, are we accurate? We've taken off billions at nearly 100% accuracy. Now, let me show you how fast we are. We average less than 48 hours for takeoff. That's unheard of. And less than 4 days for irrigation design. We don't want to replace your estimators. We just want to turn them into rock stars.
All I do is win, 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 no matter what. Got money on my mind, I can never get enough. And every time I step up in the building, everybody hands go up. And they stay there.